Mastering Idioms, the Whole Enchilada. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting idiom that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in casual conversations: the whole enchilada. This phrase is a great example of how colorful and vivid the English language can be, and understanding it will not only boost your language skills but also give you insight into the cultural nuances that make English so unique. So, let's get started and unwrap the whole enchilada together. At first glance, you might think we're talking about a dish from Mexican cuisine, and you wouldn't be entirely wrong. An enchilada is indeed a popular Mexican dish made of a corn tortilla rolled around a filling and covered with a savory sauce. However, when we use the phrase, the whole enchilada, in English, we're not discussing dinner plans. Instead, we're referring to everything, the entire amount or scope of something. It means you're not leaving anything out. You are referring to the full deal, with no details spared. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us remember them better. The exact origin of the whole enchilada is a bit murky, but it's widely believed to have entered English from American Spanish, where food terms are often used metaphorically to represent completeness or totality. The use of enchilada in this phrase likely owes to the fact that an enchilada is a complete meal wrapped up neatly in a tortilla. This idiom is a fantastic example of how English borrows from other languages and cultures, enriching its vocabulary with colorful expressions. Now that we know what it means and where it comes from, let's see how to use the whole enchilada in a sentence. This phrase is very versatile and can be used in both formal and informal contexts, although it tends to appear more in casual conversation. Informal example: I can't believe you ate the whole enchilada by yourself. You must have been really hungry. Idiomatic example: when she inherited her uncle's estate, she got the whole enchilada: the house, the car, and the business. It's important to note that when used idiomatically, the phrase can be a fun and engaging way to express the concept of everything, or the total package. And there you have it, folks. The whole enchilada is more than just a tasty dish. It's an idiom that captures the essence of completeness and totality in a uniquely flavorful way. We hope this video has given you a full serving of knowledge and that you're now more comfortable using and understanding this phrase. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to spice up your language skills and get closer to becoming a fluent English speaker. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy the whole enchilada of the English language learning journey.